this is Mika from Tackle, and I'm super excited to show you how to capture billable hours right from your calendar and auto-generate timesheets, different types of reports that you may need for your agency or freelancing business. And so let's go ahead and get started. We treat your calendar as the main single source of truth for capturing hours, billable hours, and anything else that may be relevant. And the way it works is you can go ahead and create your own custom tags or properties that describe the type of work that you're doing. For example, here I have project work and I have different types of projects that I usually run, like website design, brand campaign, media buy, or something like that. You can always go ahead and create your own, and it can be something like marketing, research, and it's over here. And so you also can create different types of clients that you're working with. And I have a checkbox one, which is like billable, non-billable. You can go ahead and create different types of properties that you need for your own reports or for your timesheets. And so I basically can go ahead and say, well, on Thursday, I plan to work on this new website redesign. And it's going to be website design as the type of project, and it's going to be for L'Oreal, and it's a billable hour. So I've already planned, or somebody in my team has already planned that they're going to work on this, so it's saved. And basically, all this data is getting pulled into the timesheet. So this entire week, we know that we're working on that. We clear all the filters. This entire week, we know what the billable hours are. We can always go ahead and say, this is, by the way, like a dynamic timesheet. You can always filter for different stuff. Like I want to see only billable hours, and you'll see only that. You can also say that you want to see a specific client. Like I'm only show me what I'm working on with Nike, for example. It happens to be two things. And so this is the way to go if you want to auto-generate timesheets right from your calendar. We also have different types of automation. So if there is an event that's called a certain way or that has something in the description or certain attendees, you can auto-label it with a certain type of tag that you have. And so you can reduce the tagging effort by almost 90% just by creating these types of automations. And and different types of reports that you may need to maintain the operational visibility of what's going on in your business, like how much time is spent in project work versus internal work. If you have a specific target for utilization rate or something like that, you can also see how much time you're spending on different clients and on different types of projects. Across your team or just for yourself. You can always select more data sources and view everybody's calendar as a sum or certain teams or just yourself. There's a lot more to it that you can explore, but this is kind of what I wanted to show you today. We also have an AI feature that basically auto tags everything based on your historical data so that we can get you from calendar to report or timesheet in no time in a very frictionless way. So let me know if you have any questions, and super excited for you to try this out.